I like to duck out all of the top end of the kick, and on this I cut out, you know, a huge amount. Kicks tend to sort of peak around 80 to 90. It's just basically a clean EQ, an analog sounding EQ. Just gives the kick a little bit of character and shape. I use quite a few UAD plugins, and you might see some plugins that I'm using that you don't have, but don't stress about it too much, because you can make decent tracks that will get signed to decent labels by using stock plugins. I just loved the transient shaper in this. But if I so in your DAW you should have something like this, and it'll tell you what key it's in, and then you just basically pitch it up and down to fit the track. So basically, obviously it's mono, so it's coming straight down the middle. You've got no width, and you can't use an imager. You can't use an imager on a mono signal, and you'll get all sorts of phase cancellation going on. So sample delay, a little trick that I learned, and what it does is it basically hits the left monitor slightly later than the right, and that gives width. It gives stereo width. Keep being creative and keep trying new things. Right, just a little. I normally stick a couple at 10, so 10 left, 10 right, and then I'll stick a couple of others at 15 left, 15 right, and then I do this a lot. I've just dropped it down an octave, and then layered it with this. I'm trying to still keep tracks loud, even though the loudness war is dying out a bit. I'm still trying to keep it loud, but I'm trying to give it sort of an analog, crispy sound, and you know, a fullness, and I want it to sound good, not just in the rave, but on the headphones and in a car, and these sort of plugins help with that.